In Tgi3D plugin for SketchUp, surfaces can be made to follow curves. Tgi3D Bezier curves function as control curves when they are woven as a part of a mesh surface. By editing those curves and subsequently smoothing the associated surfaces, you can easily reshape complex surfaces with a high degree of control. In this example, we have a 3D drawing of a human head we have created by drawing control curves and weaving surface meshes within these control curves. We will reshape the model here by editing the control curves and smoothing the associated surfaces. For easy display, we place the control curves here in a different layer. As we turn the color by layer and hidden geometry options on, all the control curves on the head are easily identified by the color green. The whole head and face is defined by these control curves. The ears and eyebrows are modeled separately and attached to the head. Notice that the hard edges, defined by the solid lines, are placed at creases or the skin folds on the face, like the outline of the lips and the eyes. As we navigate over the surface mesh with Tgi3D's Move tool, the editable curves are highlighted in yellow. Let's start editing the curves. As we reshape the curves, the areas of the surface near the curves stretch or stress and they are no longer smooth. Let's do a little bit of editing on the nose as well. Once we are done reshaping the control curves, we select the portion of the surface mesh that is affected by our edits. We then perform iterative smoothing operations on the selected portion until we achieve the desired smoothness. Pressing the letter Y or the letter U keys on the keyboard initiates the smoothing operation. Now the surface is smooth again. We can repeat the curve editing and surface smoothing operations as many times as we want to achieve the desired look. The control curves can also be edited using the regular SketchUp edit tools. Let's, for example, apply a radical rotate operation. Let's select the lower portion of the face covering the nose, mouth, and chin. We rotate the selected portion downward a little so that we have, say, a slightly different bone structure. Then we select the affected surfaces and smooth them again. Notice that only edits on the control curves have any consequence, as the surface mesh is reshaped according to the changes in the control curves during the smoothing operation. Finally, with a few curve editing and surface smoothing operations, we have created a new human head with slightly different facial features from the old one.